What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please know that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we will look at prices into a little more details to see how we've been performing, whether we're doing good, bad, ugly. And after that, we will look at our positions, because I told you the market had a lot of surprises and a lot of people did not believe what I was telling them. Okay, now if you had listened, you probably be sitting in some good chunk of money today. Anyways, but before we do that, excuse me, we have said this so many times in this channel, right? There's something that a guy that I know one time, he told me, come on. He told me one time, like a friend of mine, if you wasn't born from a millionaire family, you have to make sure that a millionaire family is born out of you. You understand? Okay, if you're born poor, it's not your fault. But it is your fault if you die poor. That means you did not try enough. You didn't do, something extra. You didn't do, more than you are supposed to do. Because like one thing I learned is that around us there are always opportunities. But it takes only a few people to see those opportunities, to use those opportunities, because it's one thing to see the opportunity and it's another thing to use the opportunity. Okay, so that is why, guys, to become a millionaire, I told you guys the other day, it takes a lot of effort, and only a few people, want to go that extra length, wants to put that little effort. Before, you used to have to be like, you look for a broker, you look for somebody who's going to do the stuff for you, and you can't get into the stock market straightforward. You have to look at the newspapers, stuff like that. Today, everything is just at your fingertips on the internet. Everybody has a cell phone. If you don't have a cell phone, you can go to a cafe, internet cafe, and whatever to get access to internet. Excuse me. And that's what we're talking about today. I told you guys already know. I showed you guys my portfolio. You guys know exactly where I come from. Okay? Which means I missed out in the 2008 bubble. Because guess what? I was thinking about holding my money in the bank was going to be the best thing ever. That's what I was thinking about. Now, that 2008 bubble is coming again. This time it's going to be 10 times. This time is going to be 10 times bigger than the 2008 bubble. Okay? We was talking about this, and I told you guys, you got to go. One thing is to invest in crypto, because you can put all your money in crypto if you want, but if you don't pick money printers, you are not going to go anywhere. And that is one sign of everybody being that want to be a millionaire have to have. You have to be able to see the coins that are going to go somewhere. A lot of people talking about the narrative for this bull run is going to be about AI, meme coins, and something like that. Guys, I put my money in utility coins because the world is shifting. We are shifting to the digital era. We are shifting where everything is going to be on the internet. Money on the internet. I mean, like carrying cash around. Soon, a lot of people will not be able to remember that we used to have cash money. Everything is going on the internet, and therefore I try to pick coins or projects that are really going to be useful to the humankind. Yeah, a lot of people call me crazy when I say Casper is better than Bitcoin. A lot of people say, oh yeah, look at the market cap, oh yeah, look at how far Bitcoin is, look at how low the price of Casper is. Guys, Casper still on testnet. On testnet, that's where we still. I don't care whoever says, but until I see smart contracts and 10 BPS, exchange listing and everything else, we are still on testnet. And that is one opportunity that I keep hammering into everybody. Okay, When everybody's calling it dead, that's when you are supposed to get in. Okay, another one, quant. Everybody keep talking about, yeah, look at the price going down, price doing this. Guys, you cannot miss two at the same time. If you don't have quant on spot, you need to have quant on leverage. Either way, you need to do. Oh, excuse me. Oh, come on. Either way, you need to have quant in your portfolio. Because again, yeah, price may be trending sideways or down or whatever it is doing. But at the end of the day, guys, quant is going to be one of them that is going to come out emerging as a winner. I gave you the example the other day, even Jasmine. Okay, for me, for Jasmine, I'm in it because guess what? The moves they are making with the electronics companies, with the data storing, with the AI storing, everything else they are doing with Jasmine. Now, the icing on the cake is going to be if they live up to expectation about their lockup. If the lockup even 10% of their total supply, you are going to see that price run. You are going to see it run, and you do not want to be out of the boat. I give you another risky one, Luna Classic. Luna Classic is something I said. You remember one of the videos behind, I told you guys, follow the money. If you follow the money, you are not going to be wrong. For one reason, Luna Classic crashed. Okay, you guys know the story. I don't need to be sitting here and telling you what happened. But for some strange reason, Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, still making moves on Luna Classic. They are burning it, they are helping out, they are doing everything else. Yeah, excuse me, the birds are just happy today. They are doing everything else. Okay, let's go back to the topic. Therefore, something tells me that Luna Classic, guys, if it does the worst it can do this run, at least you're gonna have Luna Classic at the 1 or 2 cents, and that is an opportunity right there. Because the price of Luna Classic right now is like 0, I think 4 zeros and a 9 or something like that. I don't know. But, come on. Could you imagine getting Luna Classic right now? Let's say 10 million coins, which is going to be very cheap, and then it goes to 2 cents. Do you imagine that? So it's those are things, like I said, to become a millionaire, you have to be able to do things that nobody is willing to do. Nobody is even thinking about doing. Again, let's circle back to Casper. Okay, first of all, let's circle back to quant. Everybody's looking at the price. Price is not moving. Price is stagnant and this and that. But when you look at the background, the team is working. They're working. I mean, when I mean working, these guys are not going to look at your corner store. They are going for the big guys, the big banks, international banks. They are going for countries, things like that. That's where they're going. Again, it leads back to the same thing. Follow the money. Follow the money. Because when this thing kicks out and it blows out of proportion, big money start moving in, you want to already be positioned in. You don't want to wait until the big money starts coming in, because if you wait, it's going to be too late. Again, go back to Casper. People talking about, or he's not getting listed on exchanges. You're not doing this. You're not doing that. Yesterday, I showed you the document right there. They've already applied for it. They've already did this and that. For me, I think like these guys are waiting for the upgrade. They're waiting for that crescendo upgrade, 10 BPS. Once it is done, I think these people are going to start listing Casper on Coinbase, on Kraken, on Binance. They are going to start doing it. I think that's what they are waiting for. Instead of, you know what, you list it right now and then you have to shut down later to do the upgrade and all that stuff. That's what I think everybody's waiting for. But me being me, I take the risk first. Everybody, if you remember, come on. If you remember a couple days ago, people were talking about Casper was dead. This was going on. And I was telling you guys, like, listen, that drop in price that you're waiting for had already happened. Okay, people were saying, okay, it's gonna be the sell, the buy the news, sell the news event, whatever, however they say it, because Bitcoin went all the way up to 74,000. Okay, and it's gonna drop after the election. It's gonna go down. And I was telling you guys, if you remember, it went all the way down, then it dropped drastically to like 66 or 60 something thousand. And I was telling guys, this is the time you have to get in, because right now that price action is being accounted for, and after the elections Bitcoin is going to shoot. We don't have a chance of of a correction right now. I think this move is going to take Bitcoin all the way up to probably 80 or even $90,000 before we see any kind of breather, and that breather is going to be to make space for the fifth and the banana zone, the fifth gear, or I call it the fifth gear of the bull run, or other people call it the banana zone, which means it goes up, comes back, and that flight is going to be to the all-time highs before the market finally crashes down. And I'll tell you guys the same thing about Casper. 10 cents was the support, and I remember telling you guys, like, you know what, that's me. I see blood in the street, I get into a position. 10 cents was the support. If you would have entered, which again is not financial advice, what I'm doing is just showing you guys what I am doing. Okay, I entered 2 more positions, and in a minute I'm about to show you exactly what those positions are doing. Okay, so guys, I know it's not the simplest decision to make when you see things going like red, down, and stuff like that. Everybody, the natural instinct is to just take your money and run. Okay, that is the natural instinct. But people who have something else in their mind, like me, I told you guys, after next year, by 2026, I do not want to work for anybody. I want to concentrate on doing me. Let the money recycle while I sit home, go on vacation, take care of my kids and my woman, whatever. You know what I mean? That's what I want to do. Now, if you want to spend the rest of your life working, kudos to you. To me, I wasn't born in a millionaire family, but I'm trying to make sure that a millionaire family comes out of me. I told you guys, the wealth transfer is real. It's happening right in front of you. Now, if you want to grab it, the opportunity, if you want to grab the opportunity, that's fine. If you want to let it slide, that's also fine. Okay, but for me, I think this is the easiest it has ever been for people to become millionaires. This is the easiest. So you look at it right now, housing market is crashing, car market is crashing, and guys, this next bear market is going to be the worst ever. You're about to see it. Like I said, I told you guys one of my videos, they are going to pump assets because interest rate and all that stuff is going to go down, blah blah blah. They are going to pump assets all the way as high as they can before they drop the ball. And once they drop the ball, stock, cryptos, everything is going to crash like you are not ready for it yet. That's why I told you guys I am going to short the living Jesus out of Bitcoin and on some of these meme coin when the time comes. I'm going to use that opportunity and I'm going to do it. So anyways, that's it. Now you guys know it's not an easy task. Only the few people that take that step are going to make a lot of money in this run. Are you among them? That's the question I have for you. Are you among them? Now that we said that, let's go look at the market right quick. See how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay. As you can see, right now, you see the market has finally it's really green. Very green. So you have here, let's go look at let me move this on the side. Let's first look at King Casper, KAS. There you go. For King Casper, for the past hour, we are up 0.28%, 7.1% up on the day, 6.5% up on the week, 19.2% down on the month, and 42% up on the year. We are now rolling at the market cap of $2.97 billion. You guys remember 2 or 3 days ago, Casper was at 2.6. We are almost back to $3 billion. With the look at the total 24 hours of trading volume, $148 million. Guys, people are buying Casper because they realize what is going on. Now, if we go look at quant QNT, if you look at QNT, for the past hour, we are up 0.21%. For the past day, guys, look at that, 7.8%. On the week, we are down 0.73%, 12.1% down on the month, and 39.7% down on the year. That number has started to move too. Look at the market cap, $739 million, and the 24 hours trading volume. Guys, you guys remember yesterday it was $11 million. Today we are up $23.5 million in trading volume. Now look at Jasmine, JAS. For the past hour, the price is down 0.02%, 12.7% up for the past day, guys. 4.5% up on the week, and we have 3.9% down on the month, and 365% up on the year, with a market cap of $966 million and a 24 hours trading volume of $125 million. Guys, you can't make this up. I'm telling you guys, this thing, the market has started, and we have started to see that, excuse me, we have started to see that leg up that I was telling you guys. We are in the gear, the fourth gear right now. That's what you've started to see. So you want to sit on the side, that's up to you. Okay, but anyways, now let's go look at the price in a little more details. Okay, let's go my trading view. Let's go trading view. Where is it? Let's go trading view. I thought I opened it up, but anyways, let me just search it then. Go here, trading view. Again, it's something like I say, it's very easy for you to find. If you remember, I told you guys, price always act the same. This is Casper on the 1 hourly. Go back to my videos for yesterday, day before yesterday. You see my recent videos, you will see I told you this, and that's exactly what's playing out. Again, you don't need rocket science to trade. You only need few indicators. For me, I use MACD, RSI, public sentiment. I use the moving average, and I also use the ribbon. The ribbon for me is very, very important, because I told you guys, remember, I told you we was going to break above the ribbon, get attracted to the moving average. Okay, that's what happened, bro. Got attracted to it, came back, broke above it again. This important resistance, you guys remember, I told you, if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know that this line, I've had it here for long. This is a 12.2 12.3 cents resistance. It's very important. Now we broke above it, got rejected. Now again, what I'm expecting this to do is to try again, go try and see if we can break it. If we break it, come back, use it as support, then keep on going higher. That's what I'm expecting price to do, because when you look at the ribbon, see that we are spraying out and it's facing upwards yet, but the only thing yet is that the moving average is still flat. Therefore, once the moving average starts to turn upwards, it is going to go help the price keep on going. If you want to look at it on the 4 hourly, look on the 4 hour, let me zoom out a little bit. On the 4 hour, exactly the same thing. That's why we still have momentum for a higher prices, because if you look at the ribbon, we just turned upwards, and right now I'm expecting this ribbon to turn green, and once it turns green, it's going to start going, and price, ribbon and price will meet. Okay, bounce on it and keep on going. The same scenario. It's like we need to try to break this resistance at 12.2 12.3. Okay, if you break it and then confirm it, also go up to 12.6, because at 12.6 that shows me that okay, the bullish momentum has finally totally returned to the price action of Casper. Okay, that's what we are waiting for right now, between 12.2 to 12.6 thereabout. Okay, once price confirm above it on the daily, then we will know that yeah, prices start to go. Now if you look at it also on the daily, look at this on the daily. See, this is what I'm telling you guys. You see, the price did exactly as we were talking about. Okay, I zoomed it out so you can see the ribbon. See how the ribbon is curving. Look at price action. We went above that, got rejected. So yeah, it looks like price action is going to continue this upward trajectory going upwards towards that 12.2 to 12.6. That's what we are waiting for, and that's what is about to happen. Okay, so now if you go back, let's go look at first of all Quant, the coin a lot of people love to hate. Yeah, people love to hate Quant, but anyway, let's go to Quant right quick. See, same scenario. If you've been following my channel, you will see that. Okay, you will see that this is playing out just like I told you guys. It didn't make any sense for price action on these coins to drop. It didn't make any sense because the RSI, MACD, everything was oversold. So manipulation, that's what happened, and now price is trying to break back above. But if you can see right here, we have the resistance, okay, at $63-64. That's what happens here. I think this price action is going to try to break above it, to go above $63-64 to continue up. Now if you go to the let's go on the hourly right quick. For the past 1 hour, let me zoom in a little bit right there. See, the same situation like Casper. There's not much difference here. Ribbon turned green, is facing upwards. Look at the moving average, it's about to start facing upwards. Price went up, rest on the ribbon, and we're going to continue. Next stop is going to be trying to break this resistance at $63-64. That's what we're looking at right now. And guys, just get ready for it. Okay, it is coming. Again, if you zoom out on the weekly, look at this on the 1 week. Come on, excuse me for a second. Okay, let me just restart this app. It looks like something ain't right with it. Okay, now we go back here. Yeah, this thing has to reset. Let me check again. Now let's go look for Quant QNT. Excuse me. Oh, okay, now I got it. There you go. See how the daily retested that resistance and the ribbon got rejected. Now the next, we're about to see this thing start to go up there. But what I wanted to show you guys is on the weekly. Come on. Because on the weekly, if you zoom out the price, that is how you will understand something. Quant is forming this W, and the W, guys, is a very bullish sign. It's a very bullish sign. So you can see we came down, touch, came, touch. Now we are beginning to go up. The target, guys, is all the way up there, $125 or $130. That's where we are. But we have resistances in the middle. Like right now, we gotta conquer $63-64. After that, we do have the $78. After that, we have the $85. After that, we have the $104, 115, then 126. Guys, this thing is about to go. I keep saying this every video, and people seems like don't pay attention to it. Okay, now that said, let me go back here. What is it? Let me go back there, right there. Now guys, this you can use to either 5, 10, or even 20x your money. You can do that. Okay, but before you get before you start going there, guys, I do not condone leverage trading, because you can lose your money very easy. Please practice with $5, $10. If you can turn $5 into 50, let me put this. If you can turn $5 into 50, good. You can turn 50 into 100, good. So therefore, so forth, you keep on going like that. Okay, but please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. You can lose your money very easily. Okay, now, but if you know what you're doing, below I do have the links. I do have my Bydfi and Phemex links. Sign up, use those links and sign up. Once you do, you will get you meet their deposit bonuses. Okay, you start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. That part I don't care. What I care about is like we got like 6 to 10 months from now, we'll see how much we got. That's what I care about. We'll be rich. All right, so anyways, now let's go look at my positions first. Let's start with my Bydfi. Bydfi right here. You guys remember, like a couple days ago when I showed it to you guys, I was down $6,000. Right, I told you guys I've seen it before, and it's not a new thing. As you can see today, I am up $8,000, 8,100. That's what we up today. Okay, if you look at my contracts, you can see, wow, gas price up almost 12 cents. We're getting there. So if you can see for my Casper, I am still down 57%. That is, you guys remember I was down 75% a couple of days ago, but I'm still down 57%, which is 2,900. Okay, if you look at my quant contract, I am still down 16%. You remember last couple of days ago I was down 35 something, so 35%. But today I'm still down 16%, which is 1,200. And I will say it again: do not do like me, because guys, unless you know what you're doing, please don't. Because I trade at 50x. Okay, I trade at 50x in all my positions right here. 50x. And the beauty of trading on Bydfi and Phemex is that they let you top of your margin. That way your liquidation doesn't get met. Okay, you can keep on increasing, adding to your margin, scaling it up until your liquidation goes even lower and lower. As for me right now, my liquidation on Casper is at 8 cents, as you can see, and my liquidation on Quant is at 34 cents, as you can see right there. Therefore, yeah, I'm not afraid. I don't care what happens to price. All I'll keep doing is just adding more money and drop the liquidation down. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex, let me sign in. See, you guys remember I was down like what, $8,000 a couple days ago, but my Phemex today I am up $12,000. Okay, $12,000. And then if you look at my contracts, my Jasmine, wow, Jasmine is up almost 2 cents. On my Jasmine, I am still down 23%, which is 2,700. And on my Casper, I am still down 50%, which is 2,800. Again, I do trade with a very high leverage. Please do not do like me if you don't know what you're doing. See that? 50x, 50x right there. So please don't do like me. Okay, so these are my positions right now on Phemex and on Bydfi. Now let's go look at my newest positions, which are on Margex. Okay, Margex, I told you guys the opportunity for me was there. I wasn't going to let it run, so I entered 2 more trades, and then now I have 5 different trades. Okay, tomorrow or the next video we'll talk about the take profits, because I like to remind you guys on the potential this thing can do, what this thing can do. So if I go on my trades, go here, trades, you can see on the first one, come on, let it load up, I am up 163%, which is $1,600. Guys, this is what I was telling you about. 10 cents was the bottom. Okay, on the second one you can see the same thing, 163%. Because I don't know, for one reason I like to, on Margex I like to open the 2 positions at once, because you know you make a lot of more money with that. Also 162%, which is 1,600. On the third one I am up 26%, which is $517. And on the fourth one I am up 29%, which is $1,259. And on the fifth I am up 29%, which is $1,257. See that, guys? This is exactly what I was telling you guys about, guys. Like it was there, the opportunity. I wasn't going to sit by, and I wasn't going to let it go by me. Okay, so right now I want to see how the price action is going to go, and I don't know, probably going to decide in the upcoming days if I want to make this account to be a long term. Like I won't take profits until probably Casper hits $1, $2, or $3 on this account. But then we'll look at those prices in the next video. Okay, so go here. That being said, guys, you've seen it. There it is. We started in round 4. Money. Anyways, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, please don't forget to comment. I would like to know your opinion on the subject matter that we just spoke about. If you agree with me, if you disagree, maybe I'm crazy or not. And also don't forget to share. If you share these videos, other people with millionaire minds like you and me will see these videos and we will share, ideas. Never know what you will learn from somebody, because when they comment, you see, I see, and we learn from it. Okay. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way, anytime I upload a new video. That's it, guys. Again, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.